Hello, girls. The Marina doll, when sitting, is 26 centimeters tall and the course is complete. There is a video lesson on how to make the little doll, how to make the clothes, and there are full-size patterns for the doll, the pants, and the blouse, all in full size. You just need to print, cut, and sew. The course also includes several bonus materials. There's a coloring page of Marina. Look how beautiful. The kids will love it. They get so excited. A little story about Marina the doll. Birth certificate, adoption certificate, 5 tag templates for you to print, and a certificate of completion. All of that is in the Marina doll course. And the course comes with lifetime access, so it's yours forever. Click the link below and come with me to make all these beautiful things.